This is my first time mounting bottle cages. Never done it before, so let's see how it goes. Alright, the tools for the job. One 4mm Allen key, a rag to clean off any dust or dirt over there, bolts, I got mine black because my bottle cages are black, some high quality Vaseline to make sure no rust will accumulate, the piece de la resistance, the bottle cages, and two brand new black bottles, 500 ml. These are the tools for the job. Let's do it. All right, let me take over from here. You guys just relax and enjoy. So yeah, so we gotta unscrew the bolts and take the old bottle cages out before mounting the new ones. This is a very uncomfortable position, so I'm using the ball end of the Allen key. It's much more easier. And it gives me way more leverage. And the first mistake right there. I should have done the bottom screw first, not the top one. But we learn from our mistakes. Keep going, my friend. Sorry. My bad. I already choked on my coffee. Golly, man. I'm using some Q-tips. You might not see there on the Q-tips, you see dirt, but for some reason somebody used carbon paste. I don't know why. You don't need that there. That's metal over there, but yeah. Nice, squeaky clean. Keep doing it, keep rocking, keep doing. Yeah, finally. All right, we gotta do the second bottle cage as well. Yes, and same here, the position is a little bit uncomfortable, so I'm using the ball end of the Allen key because it lets you unscrew the screws from an angle. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Put it in line there. And by the way, take your time. It's not like people are watching here or something. Have you eaten something today? Golly, man. Can we move a little bit faster, my friend? Yeah. All right, brother man. Second bottle cage unmounted. I'm using some isopropyl alcohol. I want to make sure everything is nice and clean before mounting the new bottle cages. Very nice, very clean. Some isopropyl alcohol on the Q-tips as well. I just want to make sure, like, outside and inside the threads, everything has been thoroughly cleaned up. And that's it. All right, let's open up these bad boys. Can't wait. And boom, there we go, the first one. Very light, by the way, very light. And let me bring in the second one. Same type of rope. And boom, there we go, the second one. Oh, hold on a second. What? Evacuate the building? Why? The building's on fire. When did that happen? Now? Well, I'm making a video. Can it wait? Look, I'm making a video. Like, I'm making a damn video. I'm not gonna die. I have insurance, by the way. Yeah, well, good luck to you too, my friend. Yeah, screw that. And close the door, by the way. Jesus Christ. Where was I? I'm using these black bolts because my bottle cages are black, so I want to match them colors together. I could have went crazy with a different color, but we're using black bolts. Just because I like them slick like that. Okay, let's get brother man, what are we doing? What are we doing, man? All right, keep at it. The quality grease I'm using is a Shimano one. I'm not a professional mechanic, so I haven't bought a tub of it, so just a little bit for small cases here and there, like this one. It looks like peanut butter. All right, a little bit of semi-generous amount on the Q-tips right there. Let's grease the holes right there, just to make sure that no rust accumulates in there. And let me do the same thing on the other two ones. There we go, a little bit there, and a little bit there. That will seal it. Now let's mount the bottle cages. As you can see, I learned from my mistakes, so the top bolt this time, not the bottom one. And as you can see, by the magic of gravity, it lays out perfectly. Nice. And also when tightening up the screws, I'm also using the ball end point of the Allen key. And one thing to remember, you don't have to tighten it very, very tightly. As soon as you feel some resistance on the key, that's when you need to stop. These are not like screws where you need to put like 5-6 newtons. Just a little bit of resistance on the Allen key felt on your hand, and that would do it. There we go. The second one as well. See? A little bit of tightness, and that's it. You don't need much. And the second one, same. Perfect. I bought these bottles because they're very squishy and it's easy to not to clean, but to squeeze liquids out of them. I have other bottles and they're very, very difficult to squeeze, but these two are very, very nice. Also, another thing, if you enjoyed this video and this type of content, save this video and share it. Don't keep it to yourself. Busted! Alright, so this is how you mount some bottle cages. It was pretty easy considering it's my first time. Let's ride.